Namaskar Odisha. As you can see right now, I'm outside the home, and friends, this is the place actually where I practice sometime, and near reservoir, my friends. Right, you can see there is a reservoir in that side. So my dear friends, today I have come here to share lots of things to share. I have so many things to share you guys. Stay connected with me, and without further ado, without further delay, let's start. Let's buckle up. Let's judge up. And before going to start, my friends, so let me greetings you very enthusiastic and jubilant evening to you, energetic evening to you, my friends. And how are you doing all? I hope, my dear friends, you are doing great. You are doing fantastic, fantabulous. Okay. So if I talk about myself, actually, how I am. Actually, I'm fit and fine by the grace of God. I'm fit and fine by the grace of my parents, by the grace of my friends, by the grace of you guys. So I hope you are doing great. And if I talk about myself, I'm doing great, fantastic, fantabulous, my friends. Gobsmacked, it is what it is. I can't complain. In a proper way, proper discipline, my way on the highway. So definitely today I'm going to share about you that how I started my English speaking journey, initial days, and what are the challenges I face in my life, what are the consequences I observed, what are the disadvantages, what are the advantages I got from this language learning journey, and how I explore, definitely bit by bit, bricks by bricks. I'll try my level best to help you to get rid from the hurdles and obstacles we are facing right now. Okay, so let's start, my friends. It was the time, my friends, when I was, it was the time after completed my class 12th in 2022. I was staying in subdivisional, in Rarangapur subdivision, my friends. It is in my district, Mayurbhanj district, isn't it? So, I was staying in hostel. It's a college hostel, my friends. The journey has started from there, in hostel, college hostel, my friends, in Rarangapur. Right, I was staying in hostel. It's a college hostel, my friends, and journey has started from that hostel, my friends. Journey has started from that environment, isn't it? So how I started, it was really heart wrenching. It was really heartbreaking journey for me. And initial I cried a lot also. Initial stage I have given lots of effort to enhance my confidence level, but you can see right now the way of explanation, way of articulation, you can see the drastic change in my communication skill, isn't it? So yeah, so okay, and because I was not good at when I initiated my English speaking journey in 2022, my friends. Actually, I have already started, but meanwhile I give up to learn this language. 1 year I think I gave up to learn this language. So it was okay, I have already started in 2022. How I started, it is my way, my friends, because I didn't have knowledge about grammar, I didn't have knowledge about English. But as we have studied in school, in class 12, I have studied as a subject, not as a language in English. So that is our main problem. We have already studied in school, college as a subject, not as a language. That is our main problem. But how I started my English speaking journey, how I started my English speaking journey, my dear friends. So I started my English speaking journey. First, how I started my English speaking journey, do you know, my friends? First, I started to English speaking journey with first I started my English speaking journey from grammar, because I didn't have knowledge about anything. I didn't have a knowledge about sentence structure. I didn't have knowledge about how to frame sentences, how to make questions and all. With the help of single sentences, how to convert into question. I didn't know anything about grammar. I didn't know anything about vocabulary. What is synonym, antonym, what is subject verb agreement, what is adjective, what is adverb, what is conditional sentences, what is active passive. I didn't know anything in my life. So actually tractor was coming, so that's why I hold on myself. So I grab knowledge about all these things, my friends, because I pay attention. First I pay attention in minor thing, my friends. Minor thing, I mean to say that grammar, vocabulary, the English, the advantage of English, and so many things I grab about English. First thing first, what should you do if you are a beginner and if you didn't know anything about English? Just start from grammar. That is my that is my own experience, my friends. Because without having without grammar knowledge, you can't say even anything, isn't it? So grammar knowledge is really important. Those who are belong to if you don't have any friends, those who will help you. If you are thinking that I should learn English speaking, but if we are unable to understand then how to start English speaking journey, my friends, so this video for you. So my dear friends, English speaking journey is really a very smooth journey, very beautiful journey, my friends. Once you are passionate about to learn this language, and my dear friends, how to learn English very quickly, I'll tell you, my friends. Sure, okay. So how to start? Before going to start English speaking journey, how I started? Because I have a clear goal. If you have a clear goal before going to speak in English, if you have a clear goal, if you have a clear purpose, if you have a clear ambitions in your life, definitely you can learn English very easily. You won't face any difficulties, you won't face any hurdles and obstacles, my friends. You will feel very easy, isn't it? So I had a clear goal in my life, so that's why quickly I catch the vocabulary, quickly I catch the sentence structure, I quickly catch the rhythm of this language, isn't it? So first time I started my English speaking journey from grammar, a little bit when I knew about grammar, and then I started writing. First grab vocabulary, grammar and all, then I started writing also. I started because after grabbing the grammar knowledge, I was trying to writing on the English. How am I being audible? Am I being able to write or not? Isn't it? I was experimenting all these things. So then I started English speaking journey little bit after grabbing the grammar knowledge. Then I started speaking 5 minutes. For initial stage, I gave time for speaking only 5 minutes, because 5 minutes was really difficult for me in initial stage. I could not even able to give my introduction, how to introduce myself, how to interact with the people. I didn't have knowledge about all these things, but I grab and I practice daily, my dear friends. After grab grammar knowledge, you should start English speaking journey. Even though you are not good at English, but at least you try to interact with the people. That's really important, and interaction is really important, my friends, isn't it? So these two things I told you, my friends. So first you grab if you don't have that kind of environment, just first time you grab the grammar knowledge, little bit explore about English language, okay. Then after familiar with so many things in English language, and don't forget, my dear friends, after knowing grammar very clearly, you have to continue reading practice, continue your speaking practice, continue your grammar question practice. And same thing also I am doing daily. I am doing same thing every single day, that I do grammar practice, isn't it? In this way you will be able to speak very formal way, isn't it? So my dear friends, along with grammar knowledge, you will have to continue your English speaking journey, no doubt, but you have to continue your grammar practice, like vocabulary practice, subject verb agreement. You find out questions and you have to practice this multiple times, subject verb agreement, and so many things you need to you have to practice grammar, you have to practice vocabulary and all, okay. So along with speaking practice, you have to continue to practice grammar practice, reading practice, speaking practice, listening practice, okay. These things are very important. I am doing same thing in my life, so I try my level best to share, my dear friends. So it's up to you. Keep learning, keep journeying, and God bless you. Have a great day, my dear friends, and never ever forget to maintain your consistency, my friends, because consistency is the key to success. Many people say, even I believe. So have a great day, my friends, and if you are new to my channel, please Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.